welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows just because they're a little time consuming. And now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16. And I'm gonna set it with my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Now I'm just using the brown shade out the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just putting that in my crease. Next, I'm using the Rebel Grays eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to take those two shades and put those on my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Next, I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni lashes. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Face Primer. It's the first time I used it. Actually got it off of Amazon, and I love it. That it definitely like fills in your large pores and it smooths fine lines. So, and it's affordable. So definitely give it a try if you're looking for a new face primer. For my sunscreen, I'm gonna use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. To add some more coverage, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector. highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in medium dark warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm using the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Okay, now I'm using the ABA setting powder again in Deep Peach, and I'm just using that to set where I had the concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Beauty Babe Blush in Coral. To highlight, I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take that middle shade and use that. For lips, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Contour Lip Liner and Punch, and I'm not sure what the lip shade is. I can't find it right now, but if I find it, I'll put it in the description box. Now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this cool tone gray eyeshadow makeup look that I did. It's definitely something that's on the easier side, I think, and you can use it for a date night or a night out with the girls or some other special occasion. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Also, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, comment, share, and like. I I would love to hear from you all. If you have any requests when it comes to makeup looks, let me know and I will do them. Anyway, I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.